Welcome to Techlipper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to change shape color on Microsoft PowerPoint. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your PowerPoint. Now from here open any document. Now here you can see in my document I already created a shape. If you want to change this shape color, just select your shape and then right click on mouse, and here you can see fill option, then just click here and that's it. Now from here you can change your shape color. Here you can see so many options. If I select yellow color, and you can see shape color has been changed successfully. Also if you want to get more colors, just select it and then go to same settings again. Then click on more fill colors and that's it. Here you can see two options, standard and custom. If I select standard, and then you can choose any color as you like. If I select it and then click on OK, and that's it. And that is how you can change shape color on Microsoft PowerPoint. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.